Coming to machinery disposal account. Now what is machinery disposal account? Machinery disposal account is an account which is created to show the entries related to the sale of asset clearly. There is nothing special in this account. It is just created to show clearly all the aspects related to sale of asset. Sale of assets. That is, basically it contains all the entries related to sale of asset. And remember, it is created just on the date of sale of asset and is never carried forward to any year. That means it has to be disposed of on the date of sale itself. Now, let us understand what are the entries that are there in this account. Now, whenever we sell an asset, the balance of that asset is appearing in the asset account. So, that balance has to be transferred to asset disposal account. So, the entry would be asset disposal account debited to assets account. That is the cost of the asset. The cost as it appears in the asset account. This is entry number 1. Now, the depreciation charged till date on this particular asset is appearing in provision for depreciation account. So, it has to be transferred from provision for depreciation to asset disposal. So, the entry for transfer would be provision for depreciation account debited to depreciation account to asset disposal account. That is depreciation till the date of sale. Till the date of sale. Now students, once the balance and the depreciation has been transferred to asset disposal account, then every entry related to sale would be passed through asset disposal account. That means when the asset is sold, entry would be bank account debited as we are receiving the money to asset disposal account. This is sale value of that particular asset. Lastly, when we are selling an asset, there can be a possibility that we actually incur a loss or we make profit. So, in case we make profit, it would be asset disposal account debited to profit and loss account. In case there is a profit, and in case there is a loss, that is or, either you will make profit or you will incur a loss. So, in that case, entry would be profit and loss account debited to asset disposal account. This would be loss. So, just to recall it, in case we are preparing asset disposal account, then the balance of that asset as appearing in the asset account and the depreciation charged till date should be transferred from asset and provision account to asset disposal account. Then the sale of that asset is recorded in the asset disposal account as bank account to asset disposal account, and in case there is a profit or loss, it is recorded through profit and loss account.